Hello friends, my name is Rajshekhar S. Chekki, Assistant Professor, PC Department of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Ranebennur. Hello friends, today I am going to present methods on redemption of debentures. Before we are going to discussion on methods on redemption of debentures, we know the meaning of debenture. The word debenture is derived from the Latin word deber, which means to owe. Therefore, debenture is an acknowledgement given by a company of a debt in the form of certificate. What is the definition of debenture? Section 2, subsection 12 of the Companies Act, debenture includes debenture, stock, bonds, and any other securities of a company, whether constituting a charge on the assets of the company or not. The next one is methods on redemption of debenture. What are the outcomes of this session? The methods of treatment to solve the problems on redemption of debenture. Accounting treatment methods on redemption of debentures. Number one is redemption at a specified method or within the specified date. The second one is redemption in installments method. The third one is redemption by purchase in the open market. The fourth one is redemption by sinking fund method. The last one is redemption by insurance fund policy method. The next one is redemption by payment in lump sum. When the company pays the whole amount in lump sum, the following journal entries are recorded in the books of the company. The first one is if debentures are to be redeemed at par. Debentures account debited to debenture holders account. The journal entry is passed in the books of company. Debentures holders account debited to bank account. If debentures are to be redeemed at premium, debentures account debit, premium on redemption of debentures account debit to debenture holders account. The second one is debenture holders account debited to bank account. The bank account, it means what? The amount is credited to the bank account. Next one is redemption by payment in installments. When, as per terms of the issue, the debentures are to be redeemed in installments beginning from a particular year, the actual debentures to be redeemed are selected usually by draw of lots. What are the journal entries passed in the books of the company? Number one is if redeemed out of profits, statement of profit and loss account debit to debenture redemption reserve account. Debenture account debit to debenture holders account. The third one is what? Debenture holders account debit to bank account. There are three journal entries are passed if redeemed out of profits. The next one is if redeemed out of capital, debenture account debited to debenture holders account. Then the second one is what? Debenture holders account debited to bank account. That amount should be credited to the bank account. The next one is redemption by purchase in the open market. When a company purchases its own debentures in the open market for the purpose of immediate cancellation, the purchase and cancellation of such debentures are termed as redemption by purchase in the open market. What are the journal entries are passed in the books of the company? when the debentures are purchased from the open market at a discount and cancelled, the journal entries are recorded as follows. On purchase of own debentures for immediate cancellation, we should pass two journal entries. Debenture account debit to bank account to profit on redemption of debenture account. That debenture account should be debited and remaining two accounts are credited. The second one is on transfer of profit on redemption. When the transfer of profit on redemption, the profit on redemption of debenture account debit to capital reserve account. When the debentures are purchased from the market at a price which is above the nominal value of debentures, then the company passed the journal entries. Debenture account debit, loss on redemption of debenture account debit to bank account. That amount should be credited to the bank account. The second one is what? Statement of profit and loss account debit to loss on redemption of debenture account. Another method is what? Sinking fund method. Under this method, company every certain amount of profits is set aside. The same is as invested in outside in the business in gilt-ended securities and allowed to accumulate it as compound interest. Under this method, the company can pass the journal entries at the end of the first year for setting aside the fixed amount of profit for redemption, statement of profit and loss account debit to sinking fund account. The second one is what? Fund investment account debit to bank account. The number 2, at the end of the second year and subsequent years other than last year, for receipt of interest on debenture redemption fund investments, bank account debit to sinking fund account. The next one is for annual contribution, profit and loss account debit to sinking fund account. It means what? Sinking fund account is should be credited. For the investment of annual contribution to gather with interest, that interest should be gathered, the sinking fund investment account debited to bank accounts. The third one is at the end of the last year redemption. It is the last year. You have to pass 3 journal entries. For receiving the interest on sinking fund investment, bank account debited to sinking fund account. Bank account should be debited and the sinking fund account should be credited. For annual contribution, profit and loss account debit to sinking fund account. For sale of investment, when the investment is should be sale, for sale of investment, the bank account debit to sinking fund investment account credited. These are the books or the last one is thank you. Thank you, friend.